Hello guys and welcome to another episode of the Accounting Buddy. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome again. And if you do like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing up there on the subscribe button, and do hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. Now guys, today we're going to be looking at 5 reasons why having an accounting qualification can or is advantageous. Yes, I just said 5, and this is also in respect to the modern economy, the COVID economy, or the new normal, as some people might describe it. Now, one of the first advantages that I noted down is relevance. Accounting is relevant to almost all the fields or almost any industry, whether it's in mining engineering, electrical engineering, geology, education, and NPOs, NGOs, the banking sector, the finance sector. It doesn't matter. The accounting department or state departments or local government, municipalities. I mean, I can name an endless list here if I could. So now accounting is very relevant to those entities or those organizations because of its functionality. Every one of those departments or municipalities need a functioning accounting sector, or rather an accounting department. Some might outsource, some might have an in-sourced accounting department. It doesn't matter. The skills that are needed are quite relevant. So number one, relevance. Now the second advantage is increased work opportunities. And I think this one ties down with the first one that I mentioned, that there is a lot of relevance in the field. Now, also looking at the fact that we do live in a country that has a very high rate of employment. When you do check the latest employment statistics, they are quite shocking. So now the accounting field, because of its relevance, does give you just that added advantage. Needless to say, it doesn't mean you are guaranteed to get a job. It just gives you that extra advantage, since it is widely distributed in terms of its need in those sectors, and not just specific to a particular sector like some of the qualifications that are out there. Now the third advantage is that if you are maybe not interested in going into the work market or being an employee, you can be an employer and service other businesses. You can provide advisory, you could provide tax services, you could provide financial management service to them. There's a wide variety of things that you can cater for as an accountant yourself, instead of going out to the job market and looking for employment. Now that's just a choice, but that option is opened. It is not like not all of them, where you will definitely need to be employed somewhere for you in order for you to practice your craft. This is similar to lawyers, people in the law field. Some do practice on their own, or in their own firms, or some do go and get employment in the private or public sector, sometimes even both. So that's just one of the advantages that I happen to notice that we do share with the guys in the legal field. Now the fourth one is expert business knowledge. Now accounting gives you a view like none other, because now you are more or less exposed to almost every functioning component of a business. Right now, when you're comparing financial statements, the skills that you gather when you compare financial statements, all that tax issues that you deal with, that gives you an insight on how a business works from the ground up, its profitability, and that sort of puts you at an advantage if you were to go out and try out other businesses, not necessarily in accounting. You have more than a strong baseline of information that you can apply when you get into any sort of business, because of the skills that you develop, or you've developed while doing the accounting work. And the fifth one, guys, is continuous development. Accounting is one of those study fields that will enable you or force you to always continually engage with other people, continuously develop yourself and continuously learn, because whenever there are changes in the economic conditions, accounting is more or less affected. So there's always an advantage of having to learn more, apply your mind more. And those are just some of the advantages that I did mention, the 5 ones that I feel that this can be advantageous if you do have an accounting diploma or degree. So guys, if you did love this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and hitting the thumbs up button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. See you on the next video. Bye bye.